Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on KDA. For the past several days or weeks, the price of KDA is still moving inside this channel. Right now, it is moving at the center of the channel between their support and resistance. And by the way, during this move to the downside, we have recently also broken down this very significant long-term support that is at 50 cents. That had been recently breaking as support here for several days. And before that, it was breaking as support. If you take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that here in the month of June 2023, it also has been breaking as a support here as well. Therefore, again, it can break as a very strong resistance after this breakdown. By the way, on the 7 days time frame chart so far, the price and did not break down this support. However, on the daily time frame chart, after the breakdown, it is still struggling to break out this resistance once again. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very high demand zone that we have here from 40 cents, approximately from 41 cents to 36 cents. If we move back to the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that whenever the price is moving inside this demand zone, then we are watching very nice rallies. And this time we have just a spike touched inside this demand zone here. And after that, you can see that the price is once again bounce after visiting this demand zone. And in today's video, we will also analyze this bounce as well. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this big and long term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signal work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for SEI, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can watch when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade signal I shared on 6th of January 2025 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade signal as well. Like this is the buying zone, sell target sign, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and reached the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of KDA. And first of all, let me just show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several days of weeks, it is moving inside this channel. And while moving inside this channel, recently we have broken down this very significant support of 50 cents that was recently breaking a support here for several days and support here for several days of weeks and support here as well. And if we move to the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that here in the month of August, here in the month of June 2023, it was also breaking as a support as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a very strong resistance after the breakdown on the daily time frame. However, on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we just had a spike beyond this support of 50 cents, and this candlestick is not closed. However, on the daily time frame chart, it is still trying to break out this previous support as a resistance. In case of breaking it out, there is a probability that we may see that the price and may try to break out this resistance of the channel, and it can hit the resistance here approximately at 61 cents. And in case of breaking out the channel, the technical target will be here at the top of the channel at $2. And now if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge is, by the way, here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between 25 to $30. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. Because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.